Hello kids, mentor Neetu. We are doing basic mathematics class 5 by Coral Publishers. So today we are starting chapter 19, triangles. Very easy and interesting chapter. Let us start. Triangles. A plane figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle, like this, ABC. In the figure, ABC is formed by AB, BC and AC. And the symbol this symbol represents triangle. Thus we write triangle ABC as triangle ABC. The line segments which form a triangle are called the sides. Here AB, BC and CA are the 3 sides, and the points at which the sides meet are called the vertices of the triangle. A, B and C are the vertices. Okay, plural form. और हम कह सकते हैं A is the vertex, B is the vertex and C is the vertex. Now characteristics of a triangle. A triangle is made up of 3 line segments and it has 3 vertices and 3 angles. ये angle है, this angle and this angle. Now we are talking about properties of a triangle. So draw triangle DEF and measure the sides. Now find the sum of any 2 sides like DE plus EF, EF plus DF and DE plus EF, and compare them with the third side like DE और DF का सम है तो EF से कंपेयर करो. तो आपके पास क्या आएगा? Sum of 2 sides is always greater than the third side. So this is very important property of a triangle. Sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So property 1, as I told you, the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Now अब हम एंगल मेजर करते हैं. तीनों एंगल को मेजर किया तो हमें पता चलेगा उन तीनों का सम कितना है, 180 डिग्री. सो इट मीन्स द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. राइट? नाउ एग्जांपल 1. इन दिस ट्रायंगल ABC, 2 angles given, A 45, C 37. Find the third angle. तो we know very well sum of the 3 angles equals to 180 degree. तो हम लिख देंगे एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. A और C की वैल्यू हम पुट कर देंगे 45 एंड 37, B एज इट इज. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, इट इज 82. अब हम इसे इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, ये हो जाएगा माइनस. सो 180 माइनस 82 दैट इज 98 degree. Right? Now example 2. Which one of the following set of sides and angles can form a triangle? अब हमें A पार्ट में sides given है और B पार्ट में angles given है. हमें चेक करना है कि whether they are forming a triangle or not. So we are doing A part 5 cm, 7 cm and 9 cm. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Any 2 sides like 5 plus 7. पहले इन दोनों साइड का सम करेंगे 12. 12 इज बिगर देन 9. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड कंडीशन, 7 प्लस 9 16. इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5. राइट? नाउ 9 प्लस 5 14. इट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 7. तो तीनों केसेस में सम ऑफ एनी 2 साइड्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ ट्रायंगल. नाउ कम टू पार्ट B. 3 एंगल्स गिवन है, तीनों का हम सम कर देंगे. सम इज कमिंग आउट 145, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉपर्टी इट शुड बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस ट्रायंगल इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Here by using these angles triangle is not possible. Okay. Now exercise 1 is based on such type of question. You can try these one on your own. Now we are talking about types of triangles. Classification of triangles. Triangles are classified according to the sides and angles. Number 1, triangles according to the sides. The first one is a scalene triangle. Scalene means when all the sides are different. Okay, so like in this triangle ABC, AB 2.4, AC 3.6, BC 3.8, all are different. So this is a scalene triangle. The second is isosceles. Isosceles means when two sides, any two sides equal, that is an isosceles. So a triangle having two sides equal like this, PQ and PR equal, so this is an isosceles. Equilateral में क्या होता है? All the sides are same like this, 4, 4, 4. So this is an equilateral. So scalene means all sides are different. Isosceles means two sides same, and equilateral means all are same. Now classification of triangles according to the angles. The first one, acute angle triangle. If all the angles are acute, means less than 90 degree, then it is an acute angle triangle. अगर सारे angles 90 से कम होंगे तो इसे हम बोलेंगे acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle means if one angle is 90 degree, it is said to be right angle triangle. The third is obtuse angle triangle means if one angle is obtuse means more than 90 और सिर्फ एक एंगल ही ऑब्ट्यूज हो सकता है, दो एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज नहीं हो सकते बिकॉज द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. So a triangle with one of the angle is obtuse, that is greater than 90, is the obtuse angle triangle. Like here 115 है तो ये बन गया हमारा obtuse angle triangle. Now example 3, which of the following triangles are scalene, isosceles and equilateral? Part 1, A part में आप देख सकते हैं all the sides are same, so this is an equilateral triangle. B part में you can see two sides same, PQ and PR are equal, so this is an isosceles. And C part में all the sides are different, so this is a scalene triangle. आपको अगर concept पता होगा then you can do the question. Okay. Now example 4, which of the following triangles are acute, right and obtuse angle triangle? A part देखें, A part में आपको दिख रहा है one angle is 90 degree, so this is the right angle triangle. B part में one angle is obtuse, so this is obtuse angle triangle. And C part में all are acute, so this is an acute angle triangle, right? Now exercise 2 is based on such type of question. You can go through these questions. I hope this is clear to you. So any doubt we can discuss it later on. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.